lovely. It was very, very nice being amongst all the beautiful people, being part of it, and like it was wonderful. Firstly, Lakme, thank you so much for having us, and Pearl Academy, like made it possible for us to walk the ramp. It was beautiful, beautiful experience, obviously.
ये हमारा दूसरी बारी है लैक्मे फैशन वीक पे एंड आई फील द वेलकम वी गेट फ्रॉम पर्ल एकेडमी एंड फ्रॉम एवरीबडी एट लैक्मे हैज बीन अमेजिंग एंड या इट वाज ग्रेट फन वॉकिंग आई थिंक दैट्स अ ड्रीम दैट एवरी एक्टर हम सब एक ड्रीम देखते हैं कि हम एक बार लैक्मे फैशन वीक पे चलेंगे और ये हमारे लिए सेकेंड टाइम है सो आई थिंक वी आर वेरी लकी. So it's a coming of age love story. So it has a little bit of everything. It is romantic, it has drama, it has a lot of good songs.
It's a musical. It's whatever you want out of the film. It is we are serving it to you on a platter, on a silver platter. But honestly, let me just a single line. I would say it's a coming of age heartbreak, wherein a guy finds out what he wants to do with his life after he goes under a heartbreak, and it's honestly like every 20-year-old out there right now, and I mean, yeah, you have to watch it to understand what exactly we are.
I think the collection was very innovative. पहले जब मुझे पता चला कि इकिगाई उनका ये theme है, I was thinking कि क्या हो सकता है, क्या designs होंगे, but I feel they've outdone themselves. All the designs were so innovative, from the color theme to the color palettes, everything was fab. So I really loved it.
Yeah, it was very nicely blended together. Like how love, passion, like the waking for yourself. It's so beautifully put together that we did not feel any seam between all the four segments, and it was very beautifully put together by all the people out there. So yeah, kudos to them. Being comfy is fashion for me. I mean, something which you can rock, be it home, be it outdoors. I mean, look at me right now. I'm just wearing my sneakers, some black jeans, and a nice t-shirt. If you feel comfortable in it, and if you're confident in it, I think that's fashion for you.
For me, it's a mixture of being comfortable and being yourself. I think जो भी आप पहनो, it has to be a little bit of a reflection of yourself as a person. So I try and do that as much as I can.
Being in the film industry, see, always being a child, I've always dreamt of being in front of the camera. If that naturally makes me a part of the industry, like, it just makes me, like, wake every day with a thing in my head which is like, "Aaj Mannu ka karega," which is exactly, what Vyom thinks. "Aaj Vyom ka karega." And being in the industry is like genuinely such a warm feeling. Like this is something that I've always wanted to do as a child. So, I mean, this is just a blessing, yeah, honestly. I'm not prepared for this answer, but then it's a blessing for me, yeah. I think, yeah, that's a single word answer, blessing. What is it for you?
I think, yeah, it's a dream come true. I feel, और जब से हमने पिक्चर की शुरुआत की है, शूट की शुरुआत की है, रिहर्सल्स की शुरुआत की है, I think everybody has been so welcoming, including Sanjay sir, जन्नत मैम, शरद सर, विवेक सर, सब इतने warm और welcoming हैं. तो I feel हमें ऐसा लगा नहीं, intimidation तो बिल्कुल नहीं थी. हम I think इतनी देर से, इतने सालों से इसकी वेट कर रहे थे कि I don't think intimidated था ही नहीं. It was just कि yes, finally हो रहा है. काफी था, but I feel it's a journey and you're always ready for it. If you know कि आपको ये करना है, तो you have to be ready for the ups and downs, the failures. You have to be mentally prepared कि ये होगा. It's not going to be an easy journey, but I think everything in life, and especially the best things in life, don't come easy. So yeah, now since we're finally here, it's just exciting and it's covering up for all the years that we've really put into.
See, देखो कोई भी industry, it's not just film industry, but any industry, getting to the top is obviously tough. And being in the film industry, it's a cutthroat competition, obviously, and you only notice when you're at the top. It's not like the other industries when you can, like just somehow manage to be in the middle somewhere. But for you to be at the top, you have to put in the work, put in the efforts. And being an outsider, very honestly, if you're passionate about anything, I mean, doesn't matter really. Like, be outsider ho chahe aap already industry mein ho, you have to put in the work. And this is something that I really enjoy. So I think the work comes naturally to me. And yeah, touch wood. Let's see what happens next. oh, he's a walking, talking institution. Yeah, you work with him, and you're like, everything which comes out of his mouth, you need to, you need a pen and a paper to, just jot it down, because, I mean, so experienced. Like at this point, I mean, I've learned a lot from him. Like someone told me right before I was going on the sets for Garmi, someone told me that, like working with him for 50, 60, 100 days, it's like, you're having 2 FTI degrees. So that proved right. Very honestly, that proved right for me. Absolutely, it's helping all the budding writers, directors, creators, actors, everyone who are coming forth. Because 70mm used to be a medium only for the people who are like inherited, who used to like have it on the silver platter. But now, thanks to OTT, thanks to different platforms, thanks to Jio, thanks to all the platform, be it micro content, which is also coming up and brewing now, that all the people who want to make content, want to be part of the film industry, now they're getting a chance. And honestly, thanks to OTT, because in the last 6-7 years, people have understood what the content bar is. Now they've set a standards, because right now I can pull out my phone, I can watch an international series on my phone. So if I know what a good action movie looks like, I would not be sufficed with something which is coming out in Bollywood, right? So yeah, thanks to OTT for setting up the bars high, and thanks for letting us all in. So that's a good grassroots level entry for all of us. My fans, if they're around, they should have bombarded me already. Yeah, well, that's a message. Come on, I'm out here. Click pictures.
मैसेज से ज़्यादा रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज मन्नू क्या करेगा, जब भी रिलीज हो थिएटर्स में जाके देखो एंड गिव इट ऑल द लव एंड या
She'll buy you the tickets for sure.